Hi guys, I just got a new trailer, or the remnants thereof. And what this is a early to mid-war World War II trailer. It was converted by the Navy Bureau of Yards and Docks. And the manufacturer is Bun Hur Manufacturing, and the trailer originally had a generator in it with a pretty big sheet metal enclosure. But all we have left here is the chassis and a few things. I'm not going to restore this trailer back to what it was, because the only other one that I've seen is in Southern California, and even it is incomplete. I was told that maybe 5 or 6 of these, or 10, were converted, and then the Navy took up use of the PE95, which had a 5 kilowatt generator powered by the flathead Jeep 4-cylinder engine. So I'm going to run through this real fast and make some points, and then I will tell you what I think I may do with this. I can see that there's a belly pan that is still here with some louvered panels, and then these big mounts here and over here is where the generator head would sit, and these mounts here and here were more than likely for the engine, and we can see some built up oil here on the frame, and here's what's left of the exhaust. So this is a good starting point, and you can see some of the attachments here where the sheet metal body was, or I think the radiator was in this spot. It's a big radiator, and I don't know what all of this would have been for, but it's pretty solid. The parking brake assembly's been removed, and the drums are gone, and that's okay, because it doesn't need to have brakes and drums right yet. The old spring bump stops are still there, the original, I should say, and this, I think it's this one. Nah, it's the other side. This rim is in still pretty good condition, and you can see the gray paint on it. I'm looking to see what the date code is on the wheel, but I don't see it. It's too much paint. These tires are pretty well shot. And then we can come around to the front, and we can see where the generator frame itself was bolted to the chassis of the trailer. And these little gems here are always gone. They're either broken. This one is made from stamped steel. The early ones were cast, and they'd break all the time. And what happens is, when you fold up the landing leg here, this side of the pickle fork right here will engage in this slot here, and it keeps the wheel from banging left to right. The hard mounts are still here for the safety chains, and the lunette eye, somebody drilled a hole all the way through the lunette eye here. I'm gonna have to try and weld that up, because this is the area where all the pressure is when it gets towed. But what I think I'm going to be doing with this is building a teardrop camp trailer with it. And I've seen one other that a guy built from a Jeep trailer. Turned out really nice. And I think I may do that with this. So I don't know. It was a good save. It was really cheap, and the guy wanted to get rid of it. And I'm glad that I saw it, because I hate seeing stuff like this get scrapped. So, you know, I have another generator. You guys saw it the other day, the PE75. And I could very well just build a lube trailer or a tool trailer, you know, that has the generator on it and the PE75 and, you know, utility trailer. I do have another pair of fenders for that, but yep, this is like end of the year next year to be looked at. I have many other things to do, so just wanted to put this up and share it and see that another piece of World War II history has been saved, even though it is complete. So thanks for watching.